Hello everyone, I will be showing you today how to set up the RoWifi bot. This bot connects your Discord server to your Roblox group by allowing users in your Roblox group to verify, giving roles and nicknames. You might have been watching another video that also did this, but the bot has recently updated to a new Discord API, so the old programs no longer work. This video will include a tutorial how to set up Rankbinds, Groupbinds, and Custombinds, as well as special roles. I will be including timestamps in the video for each segment, so you can skip to the part you need help with. To begin with, you will have to create a server and invite the RoWifi bot. I've provided a link below to invite RoWifi to your server, and just follow these steps. What you want to do is click the server you want to add the bot to, press continue, and then authorize the bot. As you can see now, the bot has joined the server. To begin, we will create unverified and verified roles. This step is optional, but it makes it easier for server management later. We will then run the binds shown on screen, adding the roles to the server bot. In order to get the unverified role to add to a user who is yet to verify with the bot, we will also have to run update on join. As you can see, when I invite my test dummy, it now gets the unverified role. Now you can see after updating, the verified role is added and the unverified role is removed. Test dummy also has his name changed to his Roblox username, however this can be configured later. Now that we have got the basics out of the way, I will show you how to set up Rankbinds. To begin creating binds, you will have to have your own Roblox group or be an admin in one. Rankbinds can be created with the Rankbinds new command. This breaks down the bind into 5 distinct categories, which are group ID, rank ID, template, priority, and Discord roles. In order to find the rank ID for your binds, you'll have to go into Configure Group, then Roles, and then it will be shown under the Rank tab. For this demonstration, we will be using the conscript bind. We will also need the group ID, which is shown in the Roblox group link. We will insert the group ID and rank ID where shown. The template section determines what the user's name will be. This is broken down into 5 distinct sections, which are Roblox username, Roblox ID, Discord name, and display name, which can be entered as shown on screen. As we are using OR-0 as the prefix, you can enter it as seen below. For this bind, we will be using Roblox username. However, that is automatically filled in, so we will not need to enter it. Now, we will run the bind. As you can see, after updating my test dummy, his username will now change to have the prefix OR-0. However, if you want it to come after the username, you can enter it as shown below. Now, you can see that when I update the test dummy, the OR0 comes after his username. The same rule applies for the other template parts, however you will need to include it in the template section always. As you can see, now that I have changed the template to include Discord name, it will now change test dummy's name to his Discord name instead of his Roblox name, whilst also including the OR-0. If you want a user's template to not change, you can include n/a. This moves us on to the 2 optional sections of the rank bind, which is priority and Discord roles. Priority determines which template is used when multiple binds from different groups apply to the same user. This comes in the form of a number, with the highest one determining which template is used. That moves us on to the final section, which is Discord roles. As you can see here, we have just included the role conscript for the sake of this bind. Now that our bind is finished, we can create it. Now that we have updated the test dummy, you can see that his username is changed to the template we put in, as well as the conscript role being given. Now, this moves us onto Groupbinds. Groupbinds work practically the same way as Rankbinds, however they apply to an entire group, not just a single rank. Now you can enter the information as shown on screen. I've made sure to set the priority of this bind to be lower than my rank bind, so my test subject will not get this NA template. Now you can see the test dummy's name stays the same, but they also get the personnel role. Now, this moves us onto the more complicated subject, which is Custombinds. This includes binds such as Divisionless binds, where a user will get a role if they're in the main group, but not any other groups. Custombinds are divided into 5 subjects, which include is in group, which is like a group bind, has rank, which is like a rank bind, get rank, which gives the rank ID when provided, has role, which sees if a user has a role, and with string, which sees if the user's name contains a certain string. This will be combined with operators and, or, and not to create a unique bind. Custom binds can be created with the Custombinds new command, where the code can be put in the code section, and the rest follows the other group binds and rank binds. For this demonstration, we will show how to make a divisionless bind. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Lebanese Armed Forces group as a subgroup example. For the code section, you would put in what is shown on screen, which demonstrates that the user is in a certain group, for this example, the Kosovo Armed Forces, and not in the Lebanese Armed Forces. I have included the role as just Custombinds as an example. Now that we have run the bind, you can see that the test subject has received the role Custombinds because they are not in the Lebanese Armed Forces group. Now that we have added test dummy to the group, you can see that the role is removed. If you want RoWifi to log all your actions you have with the bot, create a channel and call it exactly RoWifi space logs, and it will automatically log every message. If you want more information on RoWifi and its features, you can access the docs through the link provided below. If you also want a convenient way to access and create all your binds, you can access the dashboard through the link below.